Budget airlines are cheap, but only if you pack right. Here is exactly how I stay under size and weight limits every time. First, I pick the right size bag for my trip, especially on a budget airline with strict luggage limits. I always check the weather first so I can pack the right clothes and avoid bringing things I won't need. Next, I fold my clothes neatly and use packing cubes to save space. This keeps everything organized and helps fit more in a small bag, perfect for budget airline travel. In the backpack, keep the essentials needed on the plane. A small first aid kit is a must. For women, include a sanitary kit. Toiletries and chargers go in small pouches. Important documents like passport, ID and tickets should be together, with another copy kept at home in case of loss. Laptops can also be included if needed. In the luggage, packing cubes help keep clothes organized and save space. Shoes go at the bottom with socks tucked inside them. Leave a little extra room for souvenirs or items picked up during the trip. This method fits everything into a single carry-on, even on a budget airline, without extra fees.